Spring House by Salamanca Arquitetos in Brazil. The Primavera House, located in a residential neighborhood in the city of Toledo-PR, is the result of a transformation opportunity. The mid-80s residents aimed to create a new, current space that could meet the demands of a growing family. The existing structure was preserved, and some internal walls were removed to integrate the spaces. Additionally, 2 expansions were added, one at the front and another at the back. The house was designed from the inside out, allowing its structure to be maintained and preserved, serving as inspiration for the new spaces. These spaces were designed based on the family's needs. Where there was once a garage, now stands the main kitchen of the residence. Some areas were internally expanded, such as the suite's closet, transformed from the former house's office. 2 blocks were added to the existing volumes. A large exposed concrete slab rests on 2 supports, creating a comfortable and extensive leisure area along with support areas, spanning 16.5 m. The projection of this space prioritized the connection between the house's interiors and the deck, pool, and garden areas, a spacious family living and day-to-day use space. The upper volume on the house's facade houses the family's office, superimposed on the wood-clad wall, creating a garage space and an overhang for the main entrance. The search for natural and reclaimed materials from the existing construction was crucial to the project's conception. The old oak wood from the house was recovered, restored, and used in the interior cladding, such as the gate and the rear area of the property. Other materials, such as stone and exposed concrete, played a significant role in transforming an old residence into a new home.